watching North Bangalore for its next big growth story. You might want to keep an eye on new addresses, and I have a big announcement for you all. As Asset Group is coming up with its new launch development now in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. So hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. I am your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Asset, KBN, Niva and Neo. Well, in this video, we'll be exploring about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So, we are here on the actual site of the project, and let me show you the glimpse of our site. I'm standing exactly opposite to our land parcel. So, the land parcel of our project is located just behind this tower over here. The main entrance will be coming up over this site only, connecting towards the main road. And the marketing office is getting ready inside our tower itself. But before starting our video, I would like to introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with project overview where our project is coming up in 5 acre of land parcel consisting of 3 residential tower each rising from 2 basement ground and goes up to 29 floors where we have exclusive 3 BHK homes where you get 73% of open space as well. Now if I talk about location, then our project is located right after New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park, Bagalur, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing near to the main entrance where the main entrance is coming up connecting to this road in just 500 meters backside of me. Now this road will connect you towards the New Airport Road. Now about the further connectivity part, so basically you can connect to Aerospace Hardware Park in just 2 minutes from our project. Airport is 10 minutes away, Reva University also 10 minutes away from our project and Manyata Tech Park in 20 minutes. Now about the amenities part where Asset Group is coming up with luxurious world-class amenities in our new project like of a grand clubhouse with kids play area, landscape garden, multi-purpose court. You get a swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, indoor game and many more lifestyle amenities. Now, are you the one who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore? If yes, then I have a strong recommendation before you buy your home. As Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers, where many home buyers are not aware of their basic rights. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount to builder and later on cancel your booking, in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is mentioned in a very simple and easy manner in our video, that is in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch our series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out. Now about the super built-up area, so our project offers you 3 BHK luxury homes with luxury premium trees, balconies coming up with each and every apartment in this project, where 3 BHK home is starting from 1518 and goes up to 1788 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process. So our project is currently in pre-launch stage and our EOI window, that is expression of interest window, is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Asset, KBN, in Niva and Neo project by Asset Group located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.